We were thinking of ways to really celebrate 175 years and all the change that we've seen through the years, and the thought was it would be really special to recreate a lot of the history through the vehicles and the changes that we've seen.
So it actually all started at NTA in 2022, knowing that we were going to be preparing for 2023 with something bigger and better and probably cooler than we've ever done before.
One of the heritage vehicles that we wanted to put together for this special time of our 175th anniversary was a grain body from the early 1900s when the Model T came about.
Finding pictures of a 1924 Knapheide Model TT was not easy. So we did find some brochures, took those brochures, designed the body around that. Once we got it designed, we made part-specific prints.
I got the material and I just took the drawings, went down through them, and I just started making what I needed to make to get the process going.
We blacksmithed all the hardware for it to make it original to what it was back then. And then we called in a local professional to come in and do all the pinstriping.
Once we got the vehicles moved in the convention center and up on the stage, and shoot, that was the first thing. But then as the whole stage and the back wall, and then taking the plastic off the carpet and actually seeing it, it was like, wow. It really looked really good.
It was really special to me to see the passion that a lot of our people took. It made it much more special that our team could really be involved with the whole display and the recreation of some of these vehicles.
It's inspirational sitting here looking at it, but to say wow is an understatement, so it's pretty cool.
The heritage vehicles are the center of the booth.